Okay, so today we're going to make a game using Scratch programming. There'll be a link to the Scratch website in the description. Okay, I'll take you to this page. If you don't have an account already, then if you sign up, the benefit of having an account is you'll be able to save your work as you're going, and you'll be able to share your project once you're finished. Okay, so to start we're going to click Create, and that'll open a new project page for us. Okay, if the video is going a bit fast for you, feel free to pause it and then work on your own project and then come back to the video. If there's anything you don't understand, just start it again, and if you want you can comment or ask us for help. Okay, so this is a project page. So basically we've got on the left hand side we've got all the blocks. These are the code, and they're all colour coded according to what they do, and all you do is you drag them into the middle. This is the code that you're working on, and then whatever's happening will show on this screen over here. Okay, so to start with, we'll get rid of this wee cat down. They're called sprites. Basically any character or object is called a sprite. So we'll get rid of the wee cat. So we're starting with a blank screen. Okay, so we're going to add a new stage, a new background. So we click on backdrops here, and I'm going to choose stars. So the game I'm going to make, one for you to try, is going to have a wee guy appearing that you click on him every time he appears. Okay, so to do that we need to add a new sprite, so choose a sprite. And for my space theme I'm going to add a robot, but you just choose whatever guy you fancy. Okay, it is possible to do this on a phone, but it's a bit tricky, so you're actually better on a tablet or a laptop or a computer. It just gives you more room to work with and see what's happening. Okay, so we've got this wee robot guy in the background of stars, so now we need to add the code for the robot. So what we want to do, we need to have an event, so something that starts something happening. So the main one you use is this when green flag is clicked, and that way to start, you can start and stop the game using those controls. So we'll do when green flag is clicked, so that's an event, and then we'll go to looks, the dark purple one. Down the bottom here we've got show and hide, so we're going to hide them. Okay, that way when somebody starts the game, the guy hides. And then what we want him to do is we want him to wait a second. So this is us controlling him, the orange one. So wait 1 second, and then we want him to appear again. So back to looks and down to show. Okay, so basically when the green flag is clicked, he will hide, then he'll wait 1 second, then he'll show. We'll try that again. He'll hide, wait 1 second, then he'll show. And all I want to do is want to keep repeating that forever. We'll go to control again and add a forever block around the wait 1 second and then show. Oh, missed the hide. We'll try that again. If you ever miss it again wrong, you can just put it back, or you can just separate things. So let's try that again. So we'll hide and then show, and we'll wait 1 second in between, and we'll repeat it forever. Okay, and then we need another wait 1 second after he shows before he hides. So all that does, it just keeps repeating that code in the block there. Okay, so if I test that, he'll hide, he'll show, he'll hide, he'll show. Okay, obviously he's just appearing in the middle where he was, which is a bit too easy even for me. So we'll make it a bit trickier. So we go to motion, so that's how to make him move. And every time he hides and waits 1 second, then we'll get him to move to a random position. So let's go to random position. Okay, let's test that. So he'll hide and he'll appear in a new place. Okay, you see that? Okay, let's stop that. So it's still a bit easy because he's so big. So let's try and make him a bit smaller. So for that we want how he looks, so the size, and each time we'll set size to. So He hides, he waits 1 second, he goes to a random position and we'll change his size. So we need to start with size 100% and then we will set size to, so we've got that in the forever block there, and we just want to click on the green operators here and we'll pick random size. Okay, so it's between 1 and 10, so we can edit that, so we can make it, I don't know, between 30% and 50%. Okay, let's test that. So we shouldn't get any bigger than half size and anywhere between 30% and 50%. Okay, so he's appearing random places and random sizes. Okay, so now we want to do it that if you click on him, we'll get a bit of a score each time. So to do that, we need to add a variable. So this darker orange down here, we need to make a variable called score. Score. And score is 0. So I'm going to add some new code just to sort out the score. So let's see, when green flag is clicked, we will make sure the score is at 0. Back down to variable, set my variable to 0. Just make sure that says score. Okay, then we'll do another event when this sprite is clicked. Okay, so basically anytime you click on the robot, back to variables, we will change my variable by 1. So we'll change the score by 1. Let's test that. Basically anytime it appears, if you click on him, the score will go up to by 1 each time. Okay. So all we want to do now is add a timer. Okay, so for the timer, so when green flag is clicked, we will set the score to 0 and we will set the timer to 60 seconds. Okay, then we want to do, we want to wait a second, and then we want to change the timer by -1. All that means is every second the timer will start to go down. We need to add a forever loop onto that. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, the timer will be at 60 and then it will wait 1 second and then it will take 1 off and it will just keep repeating that. Okay, so you see it going down there, timer's going down. I'm trying to click on the wee robot to get a score. That was up the top left there. Okay, and then all we want to do now is make it that if we need to add a new forever if. So basically we want to do it that when the timer gets to 0, the game will stop. So we need a forever and if. So that means we need an equals variable in there because we want to make the timer 0. So we need to get this equals block in the variables. Something equals 0 and we need to add in a timer. So forever, if timer equals 0, then we will go to events. No, we won't. We'll go to control and we will stop all. We'll test that. So basically the timer will start at 60. You just click on the wee robot as he appears. The score will go up. The timer will go down. And eventually the timer will get to 0 and the game will stop. And at that point I'll tell you what score you've got. Okay, give that a go, see how you get on. If you need to watch the video a few times to figure out what's happening, then do that. All the code's here so you can copy it. If you've got any questions and you're struggling, just comment below and somebody will get back to you. And then there'll be points for you. So if once you're done, you can save the project and you can share it, and that way you can send the link to us and we can go on and try and play your game and see what kind of high score we can get. Or you can take photos of you making the game or screenshots of you doing it and send that in to us for some extra points. Okay, good luck.